Hello, good morning. Ito po yung ating tutorial kung paano po natin ma-check yung ating sponsored members o yung mga members po na tayo ang nagpasok dito sa WP. So ngayon, first, we need to go again here po sa ating tatlong lines and here po, let's check dito yung network. Then may drop down po ulit. Then here we can see sponsored members. Then yun po, if i-press po natin ito, ay dito po lalabas lahat po ng mga members na tayo po yung sponsor. Yun.
Notice. Battery level is 70.
So yun. As we can see here po yung ating sponsored members. And here po natin ma-check yung kanilang username, first name, last name, and sponsor. So yun lang po. Thank you and God bless.